Welcome to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, they not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense. In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate and equally important groups. The police who investigate crime, and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders for their heinous offenses. These are their stories. Welcome to True Island Stories. This is the story of Kekkle, the Kekkler of Southside, Kingston. Get dirt. Well, the Pitbull brother, the great ninja, who was a strength for the gully while his brother was away. Why did he get Kekkle up wicked and he succumbed to his injuries on the spot. And the Pitbull next brother, he had died as well, including the great Max. Max? Him did dark, heart black like when road just star and not no drive pan it yet. And if you think the Pitbull was the dark one, you make a sad mistake and get beer and bang instead of tiki in your book. And Ninja was the real Seawall. Anyways, after that, the Kekklins kind of shake up his gully massive, so Kekkle now decides, say, boy, him have to take revenge for his gully massive. So guess and tell me what Kekkle do. Alright, but now I lie still it up. The word that I was supposed to hear the word Kekkle in this series here, eh? I was supposed to wake up and I say Kekkle to precise, what is the permit? But anyway, the man dress up like woman in a wig and body rider with high heels and walk up and pull them black. He had a mini Uzi in a one hand and a desert in a next hand. The man start flick like acrobat, me I tell you, I start name it, panny many me them. Clap, 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 clap. Coop, 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 coop. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Everything I feel lift up half I corner. Yo, Kekkle just start barking every pipe like him a Satan pooper. Duk, 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 duk. Yo, the Uzi start sing sweet like Whitney Houston. Kekkle bubble up his cement wicked. Yo, enough of them man them have a flare. Kekkle now became the man that was now the hottest thing and NWO's hit list. So what you think Kekkle him do? Anything him say look like it come from upper NWO, favor like it come from up there, or smell like it come from up there. I see it exchange pan a barrow. I see it cool and wildlife. Clap, 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 clap. Coop, 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 coop. Yo, Kekkle go around there next day, brawling in the morning. Loo. Everything I feel locked down. Next day again, what you think happen? Kekkle make a mad step, solo dolo, low badness. Kai. Coop, 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 coop. Kai. Yo. Cheaty straight, lawlessness, gunslinging pedigree, upper echelon to him badness, dark. Yo, the man thing never normal. The man couldn't cool. But remember, I know Kekkle use him teeth and cut fishnet underneath water bottoms or nothing. But that individual never normal. How? So him man lock and load, you know. I say cool like heartless and moon them, you know. I make another bad man brawling step again, you know. But this time, the men in blue were aware of his brazen moments. And they set up an ambush and waited patiently for him. So when Kekkle make him move now and I take her back himself, him run right up in the police them dragnet. Well, put it this way. Him run up in them And them run up in a theme, 2 devil pipe them. Cap, 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 cap. Coop, 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 coop. Drrr, ta, 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 ta. Drrr, ta, 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 ta. Drrr, ta, 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 ta. The man start sing the Uzi man like a lanky dual rhythm with the fan man. The man start beat it pan the squad them. But the squad them say, hey, a fool they take it for a whoop up back then John after Kekkle man. Keep. A straight man pan the south side landscape. Brrr, boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. And the man them a lick A1 and the A2 John after Kekkle LT. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. So Kekkle just start flick over about beer fence and dog yard. Boop, 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 boop. A beer roof, zinc fence, escape, roof again. Yo, Kekkle escape, man. But no, Kekkle was now on everyone's radar. Yeah, him Kekkle start whistle all about. Hot. Oh, FYI, did you know that Diwali? It's a very powerful word. When you hear the reading but don't even know what the word means. It's a Hindu word. I remember Lenky produced that hit rhythm in the early 2000s. Well, Diwali means a row of lamps, light over darkness, and good over evil. Yeah, do remember. So Kekkle take himself from that, and he not only became NWO's most wanted, but also the police most wanted, because you couldn't just shoot police or kill police and just live easy. No, it don't work like that. So from that now, Kekkle have to flee the place. But when him flee, him still eat him food, because now from kleptomaniac and idle thief, to top contract killer. One time now him get a contract by East Street, right in front of Gleaner there, so. Yeah man, if you go for a top killer, we used to run Fletcher's land. And number 1 hitman named Jenks. Yo, Kekkle pounce pan him, brother. Brawling and race out him desert in him chest. Front a crowd, everybody and flick him back easy speech like Sunday morning. Tep way. One time again, man. Before Kekkle wicked and wanted, man. Kekkle na go rob a bank out a joke shit, man, and go jam everybody there. Brave. Millions of man get carried, But remember, Kekkle was a kleptomaniac, so kleptomaniac, them not really chase the goal, them chase the chase. Them get high off of stealing. The act of stealing, not really the reward, as per se. So within 2-3 weeks, that the millions, about 3 million, all of Sotto was done. Yeah, man, that was Kekkle, man. I'm ready for your road again, man. Girl, it out what I spoke. That's why we are telling Kekkle, yo, one at a time, Kekkle, and I youth in Kwefa now, live a top politician, or me say the top of the toppest PMP politician, For them brother lice gun, me not call her name. But them, yeah, man, Kekkle, lift up them lice gun, man. The man a youth in Kwefa, man. But mouth say, don't a sword say, Kwefa are the hungry man, me know thief and Kekkle, so you know say fame thief in Kekkle up. You see me, them say Kwefa are the hungry man, they know thief milk out of coffee and put it back and take time soppy. You see me, I say, but anyway, after that go on, them have to run back a machine, cause, politics badness, you understand, so that's how it thing go. But one night time now, them Angoli squad and Cheese, not his real name. You don't know if a man thing still out them and I got too loud up in badness, but you could call him Cheese, yeah. Yeah man, him and them end up kick off because Cheese now feel like say, could either get too powerful, brother. And him start spread come down from fame territory. So when Cheese now him start say, Gully them are my enemy in a rasta. You see me I say, cause I remember say, if you check out back his story, them will come up because everything connect, them in tie up Cheese and beat him bad, NW and Gully man them, beat him, broke him up bad, nearly kill him, and him retaliate, you understand, wicked, so him start pre-Gully man them, dog. You see me, I say, and so sitting go on and a wire now, so, bro, the thing get Kekkle up, dog. You see me, so after that now, police he hold on pan Cheese after a little one thing in go on. You see me I say, and him end up go jail. So the man them couldn't catch him, brother. So Kekkle dark now say Kekkle part of like Indian youth named Jimmy. So through Jimmy and Kekkle couldn't catch Cheese now through him there jail. Him say, alright, anything we catch him, you know. You see me I say so. They say, alright, so Jimmy now he live round a Cheese side. So him give them the intel pan Cheese woman. So the man they make a mad step go fear round her house. You see me I say around 2 o'clock one morning. You see me. But guess what? You see time the man them go round there, brother. Boy, I come like a god dip on her side because she never did it. She never did it, brother. Anyway, the man them just go so up on Jimmy take. Everybody be easy, that Jimmy take the Cheese, color TV off my wall, brother. You see me and Kekkle go lie down in a Cheese, big king size bed, dog, and turn on him last coffin. And a cold out, dog. You see me, when them done, them just burn down the man house flat. You see me, and tap with dog, and just know say, yo, I say badness, guys. You see me? I tell you, brother. But you don't know Kekkle and Jimmy know a thing, because they make that step the fear, because them know say, yo, if Cheese is there road and them buck up in I never know. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing in a street? Cool and wildlife on the borough. You see me I say and a guns out and a win. But them they win the battle one love that night they call burn down house go on and some sitting and take with color TV and be sitting. You see me so as we say I saw badness go but not never really happen for that between Kekkle and Cheese cause you don't know. Kekkle get wanted after that by the police as well, say. You see me I say, and that one time him go rob a place downtown now, a store and still get at. And one morning, brother, a curfew going around a gully massive there, so but him never did it, you know. You see me, him run a rankers, and a man go, who you came up, you know? You see me and tell him, say, yo, Kekkle, I be a police in high place, you know. Why I do cut from boy. But brother, I don't know that. I him tell him and say, I'm a good dog. Good man. God, them now come around here, so man. You know, come around here, because them over gully massive side. You see me, I say, I'm say, that Fleet Street side, don't say. So, him not sleep now, fall cub, because he not fall cub him sleep. But guess what? Somebody give him way. Because the police, them come all the way. Run a wish part him they wanna rankers and go find him and I fall cub. And them all out Kekkle, brother. I mean, yo. Them Kekkle up, Kekkle head. Clap. Bubble up Kekkle head pon the cement. They erased his soul from the diary of the oxygenated kleptomaniac from Southside Kingston. Was DEAD, dead. No more Houdini-like escape from fishnets. No more Houdini-like escape from police dragnets. He had sung his last hurrah, and he was sent to meet the devil. We have come to the end of the Kekkle them up wicked from Southside series. Join us as we begin a new series soon. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you have not subscribed, feel free to do so. And do remember, we thank everyone who has supported this channel. Mr. U.R. Griffiths, Mr. Damian Russell, our new PayPal contributor. We thank you very much. And for all those who want to know how to get our links, it's in the description. Cash App is $storymancan. And the PayPal is trueislandstories@gmail.com. Thank you. As you know, TS want to make the store them phone one. Kekkle up the badness, you know. Yeah, man. Put in the work phone. Bless up on yourself. You, man, stay out of trouble. That's what I say. If you can go as far as you can see, you'll be able to get much further. If you can go as far as you can see, you'll be able to see much further. You just have to continue the journey. Some days are going to be rougher than some. Some days are going to come like it dark, like midnight. But remember, every dark cloud of a silver lining. You just have to just keep your mind focused. You understand? And if some people make it out, you can't make it out. But you have to just have the right attitude and the right mindset. And not only that, the discipline and the right application. You understand? To whatever you do to succeed in your dream. Remember, dream it and it can happen. Because reality are born from dreams and not the other way around. So daydream, man. It's okay to dream, man. And sometimes when you go through pain, man, it's okay to cry. It's okay to cry, because cry relieves stress. It does. It's okay to cry. And sometimes you cry, you feel so much better. I feel like you get a load of stress off your shoulder. So no matter how you're tough, man, it's okay to shed a tear and get the burden off of you. And remember, you know, if the company or the person toxic, stay out of the company. I could have your parents, I could have your friend, I could have your sister, I could have your mother. You know what I mean? Just stay out of the company because you're not going to elevate the surroundings there. Around there. So if you have your friend and you want go work or do good and them talk about gun and badness, if you stay around them, you know, when police come, you know, and them fire a shot, you know, police now gonna know who good and who bad, you know. Them just go open fire upon the lot. And guess what? At the innocent always get the salt one, because guess what? You see the man with the gun, and him force go run because him know, so guess what? Him guilty. So pick sense out of nonsense. And there's always a method within the madness. TIS. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up on True Island Stories. What will you choose? I hear you with me. Question: what will you choose? Lego the gun come on TIS News. What will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the field. What will you choose? Lego the gun come on CVM News. What will you choose? Choose blues. Don't say God with the touch. Nighttime them run out fully dark. Plans on one another, everything a sparks. But who are the piranha? Which one are the shark? Moon the black rims, but the cat same soft. And I estimate the pass and get them head cock. Screamers and white dream and them a war. Whole place fuck up from them gone with the boss. Scared them bridge dream a rock man dark. Whole place someone from them like a playboy. When the man drop, and who get the joy? Panties, you turn star, but what will you choose? Lego the go that come on TIS News. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? Lego the go that come on CVM News. So what will you choose? Cry peace or dead in the feud. What will you choose? What will you choose? What will you choose? What will you choose? Charlie Wap lock down Rockfort. Mikey Pelp dead in a boat.